Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today's topic is star topology. Star topology is the most reliable and the widely used topology at present. Okay, in this topology, each network device is connected to a central device. From this picture you are able to see this is actually the central device, or you can call this as a hub. Okay, central device or hub. So all the other systems, okay, are connected with the hub through a point-to-point link with the help of a drop cable extended in all the direction of the hub. Another one, that is the point-to-point is link there. It means that from this hub, if this hub want to transmit or communicate with this system, then one dedicated line is there. From hub to, suppose if I rename it as A, system A or node A, then from hub to node A there is a single pathway is there. This pathway is actually using for the communication between hub and the node A or workstation A. So for each and every node, or you can say workstation, this dedicated point-to-point pathway is there. Okay. So now we go through this point that I have explained that one, that there is a central hub concept is also there. Okay, the central computer is known as server. So you can call it as a server also, you can call it as a hub also. Okay, and the peripheral devices that is touched with the server, this one, it means this one, this peripheral devices. Okay, so this is called the client. So this topology actually based on this client server model. So server is actually hub, okay, and the client, it means the workstations or the node are known as, the systems are known as the client. Okay, so here you're using to connect this system, we are using the UTP type of cable. Okay, UTP cable. So maximum length of the cable between the hub and the nodes is not extended 100 meters. Okay, so what actually it is doing, what is the function of it? So when one node is actually transmit, I'm going back to the diagram. So when any of the node, any one of the node is wants to transmit the data, then the central hub receives this message from the node and then transmit it to all others node. It means take an example of a radio broadcast. Okay, so the different frequencies are there, you have to select the frequency. Okay, and then you, from this different frequency channel you can hear the music. So same kind of a scenario is over there. If any of the client, or you can say that workstation, want to transmit any data to the other one, so what it must do, it must send the request to the hub first. Okay, then hub will relay the message that this system wants to transmit the data to that system. Okay, this is a transmission, there is a transmission of a data. Okay, then all the network devices receives this message. It is not like that only one source is sending the message to the hub and hub directly is sending to the destination. No, it's not like this way. So hub, after receiving the message, hub will relay this message to the all other existing client in the network. Okay, but only the node whose address is matches with the destination address of the message can accept it. It is not that it can be the information can be shared between all of the nodes, but whose address is matched with the destination address, that system only can able to take the information, message from it. Okay. Or here UTP kind of cable, or you can coaxial cable or RG45 cable also. I said this UTP type of cable, coaxial cable and or RG type of cable also we can use it over here. Okay. So the hubs or switches are mainly used as connection device in the physical star topology. That we are continuously talking about the concept of hub and server. What is the use of it? Actually, it is used as a connection devices. Okay. So another thing, so we have to know the examples for it, that where actually we are using. Usually this type of topology are used with 10 base T Ethernet LAN connection. Okay. So now we're going to know about what are the advantages of this topology. Okay. So first one is the efficient troubleshooting. So troubleshooting is quite efficient in case of star topology as it's compared to bus. Because in bus topology, what happens? The manager has to inspect the kilometers of cable, whole cable line. But in case of star topology, all the stations are connected with the centralized network. So therefore, network administration has to go to the single station to troubleshoot the problem. Next one is network problem. So complex network control features can easily be implemented over here, because any changes made in the star topology are automatically accommodated. Okay. Limited failure, why? Because as each station is connected to the central hub with its own cable, therefore the failure occur in this particular one cable will not affect the entire cable, because one dedicated path is there. So if any fault occur in this dedicated path, only that this particular workstation or client will be affected. No other clients will be not affected. Next one is a familiar technology. So as I have said, that it is a cost effective one and most widely used topology. Okay. And also the data gets regenerated while passing through the central connecting device. Okay. Now, so let me see the disadvantages. Okay, so more advantages is there, that easily expandable. It means that it is easily expandable as new station. It means that you can add new station on it. Okay. And cost effectiveness is also there, because inexpensive coaxial cable we are using, it is not so expensive. And high data speed, that is, it supports the bandwidth of the approximately 100 Mbps, and that's until which kind of a network is actually using this type of technology. It is Ethernet 100 base T LAN topology. Next is the disadvantage. It means that the central point of failure. If the central hub or switches is go down, then all the connected nodes that is not able to connect it. So in your when you search in a Google for something, then you are able to see the server error 404. Okay, 504, something is error. Or you are going to the bank, the teller is saying, sir, server is down, so we will not able to do the transaction, or not able to update your passbook, something like that. So if any fault occur in the hub, then it will be affected the whole network. The cables, sometimes cable routing becomes difficult when a significant amount of writing is required. Okay. So another disadvantage is that the concept of hub, to implement this hub or these switches, it is bit complex also. Okay. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture.